Mrs. Peterson here. I am going to import a logo that I just made online onto my um, Photoshop document that I've been working on. So I'm just gonna drag and drop that into Photoshop. Not that way. Try again. I'm gonna drag and drop that into Photoshop so that I can add that to what I've been working on. This is a PNG. If you notice, the background is clear. So I'm just going to go over here with the rectangular marquee tool and just grab it all. All right. And copy it. And when I paste it on here, it's probably going to be pretty huge. There's it in black and white. Here it is in color. I think just for fun, I enhanced the color to make it fun. And now I'm going to paste that. I did Command V, or you could go up here and paste it. And this is too huge, so what I'm going to do is push Command T for transform. I want to link that, and I'm going to make it smaller. And by the way, that's the front of my house. See, it's so taking up the look of my house. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the sky above my house. Peterson Home Studio. Just for fun, or I could maybe put it on the roof. Nope, I like it in the sky. So Peterson Home Studio, just for fun. And how I did this was I went to Google Earth, got the picture that Google took of the front of my house, put it in Lightroom, and did some fun stuff, including put this kind of dark border around it. And then I exported it to my desktop, and then I went ahead and went onto a website and made this. I could have done it in Photoshop, but I just wanted to kind of be quicker. And I'm satisfied with this. It's not great, but I'll work on it another day. I think I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, but I can do that on my own. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tutorial in Photoshop. All right, take care. Love you, miss you already. Go out and change your world for the better, even at home.